By now, you should be familiar with creating charts in Excel. I will add a chart to this Excel report so it looks like the one in PDF. First, I select the sales by quarter and their headers to create the chart. Now I will resize and move it below the table. Next, I add a title to the chart and adjust its font size. Then I add titles to the chart axis. And adjust the font size of the axis labels. Finally, I adjust the size of the chart. As a result, the Excel report looks like the one in PDF. Watch the video that follows to see how I set this report up for printing.